Hi guys, I'm just sat here on a Sunday afternoon and I'm just thinking about a few things. For those people that have bought things from me over the years, I thank you very much. I think it's marvellous that you've supported me, and I think what I really wanted to say today was that initially, and the other thing is, for those of you that have a lot of hesitation as to whether you can actually do this particular job on your Kinetico softener, I'd just like to say that, you know, when you consider what it actually costs you to, I'm not even sure whether the amount of the cost of my kit and the videos and the little book that I provide as well, and the seals and everything and the postage, and I'm not even sure whether the total amount of $159 has gone up $10 in the last 5 years. So it's not exactly a huge amount, but I do understand that everything is so expensive nowadays, and for those people that want to save money, they want to save as much as possible, but there is a line in the sand where it's it's not viable if I do it for less than that. I mean, we've got the postage, don't forget we've got the conversion, so it's $159, which is, I would say, roughly about £103 UK pounds, and our country is going to the dogs right now. We've got lunatic, we got the asylum of the people running it, I'm afraid. We haven't got a clue. We're bankrupt. The UK is bankrupt. So really, you know, most businesses in this country, there's hardly anybody making enough money to live, really, if I was to be really honest about it. I know a lot of people, and I know a lot of... Ironically, we're doing okay. My older son is doing okay. I mean, but then again, he employs 100 people. So I would have thought that if he's paying out 100 wages each week, he's probably entitled, you know, and he's probably entitled to earn a decent living. It wouldn't be a fortune, probably a couple of £100,000. You know, you could probably, somebody that good at software design could probably make that and not have the hassle of 100 staff, you know. But bit of a ramble now, I'm afraid. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, so yeah, the confidence thing about using the, you know, starting to take this thing. You know, you can imagine. Let's put it this way: it's not going to be like a watch mechanism where you start taking the wheels spin off in every direction. You take it apart methodically, and it's very, very simple. So this video is for those people really that sort of want to do it but not really quite got the confidence to, and I understand that completely. I mean, it's the same as car repairs. The first time you start doing car repairs, you know, just taking just replacing the brake pads inside the caliper, you know, it looks a bit daunting, but really when you get down to it, the difficult job is to get all the rubbish off the nuts and the bolts and the springs. Once it's nice and clean, you can do it easily, you know. But so it's not as difficult a job as that, by the way. I mean, it's actually not that difficult a job compared to that. So if you're a bit tentative, then I'd say, you know, don't fear it so much. Have a go at it, save some money. I got a feeling if you called Kinetico out now, the company themselves, and don't get me wrong, they're great at what they do. They're all trained, most of them. They've done it a long time and they are pretty good at it. I would guess that their labour rate, if you came out to their house, I don't know, I'm guessing now, I would have thought somewhere around a couple of $100 by the time they've got there and they've given you a bit of work, you know, and that, I would imagine. But anyway, that's all I want to say. So we'll leave it at that for a minute. Okay. Thank you for listening again.